Hi friends, I am Ali. Today we're gonna start a next part of electronics MCQs. These MCQs are very important for upcoming test. Now let's move to MCQ number 1. The collector base junction in a transistor has option A, forward bias at all time, B, reverse bias at all time, C, low resistance, and D, none of them. Option B, reverse bias at all time is correct answer. Now let's move to another MCQ. If the voltage of an SCR is removed, then the anode current decreases, anode current increases, cathode current increases, and D, anode current does not decrease at all. Option D is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 3. In a silicon controlled rectifier, the load is connected across anode in series with anode, across cathode in series with cathode. Option B, in series with anode, is correct answer. The control method used for PWM DC to DC converter is A, voltage mode control, B, current mode control, C, hysteric control, and D, all of these. The control method used for PWM DC to DC converter is option D, all of these. Now let's move to another MCQ. A full wave rectifier with resistive load produces option A, second harmonics, B, third harmonics, C, fifth harmonics, and D, do not produce harmonics. Option D is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 6. Harmonics in three-phase inverters can be reduced by using passive filter, active filter, both A and B, and D, none of these. Option C, both A and B, passive filter and active filter. MCQ number 7. Unipolar modulation is generally used in AC to AC converters, AC to DC converters, DC to AC converters, and DC to DC converters. Option D is DC to DC converter is correct answer. Let's move to MCQ number 8. The point of intersection of DC and AC load lines represents operating point, current gain, voltage gain, and none of these. Option A, operating point is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 9. An ideal value of stability factor is A less than 1, B greater than 1, C 1, and D 0. An ideal value of stability factor is 1. MCQ number 10. The base resistor method is generally used in amplifier circuits, switching circuits, rectifier circuits, and none of the above. Option B, switching circuit, is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 11. MCQ number 11. Transistor biasing is done to keep dash in the circuit. Option A, proper direct current, B, the base current small, C, proper alternating current, D, collector current small. Option A, proper direct current, is the correct answer. MCQ number 12. If biasing is not done in an amplifier circuit, it results in A, decrease in the base current, B, unfaithful amplification, C, excessive collector bias, and D, none of the above. Option B, unfaithful amplification, is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 13. The disadvantage of voltage divider bias is that it has option A, high stability factor, B, low base current, C, many resistors, and D, none of the above. Option C, many resistors, is correct answer. Now let's move to MCQ number 14. When transistors are used in digital circuits, they usually operate in the active region, breakdown region, saturation and cutoff region, and D, linear region. Option C, saturation and cutoff region, is correct answer. In a CE configuration, an emitter resistor is used for stabilization, AC signal bypass, collector bias, and D, higher gain. Option A, stabilization, is correct answer. Now let's move to another MCQ. The CB configuration is used to provide which type of gain? Voltage, power, current and resistance. Option A, voltage is correct answer. MCQs number 17. A transistor may be used as a fixed resistor switching device, variable resistor. D. Both B and C. A transistor may be used as a switching device and variable resistor. Now let's move to another MCQ. In a transistor, collector current is controlled by collector voltage, base current, collector resistance, all of the above. Option B, base current is correct answer. MCQs number 19. Which is the higher gain provided by a CE configuration? Voltage, current, resistance, power. Option D, power is correct answer. 20. The capacitor that produces an AC ground is called coupling capacitor, DC open, bypass capacitor and AC open. Option C, bypass capacitor is correct answer. To get a negative gate source voltage in a self-biased JFET circuit, you must use a voltage divider, source resistor, ground and negative supply voltage. Option B, source resistor is correct answer. 22. Rectifier output polarity depends upon cycles of input, capacitor polarity, half or full wave, and the diode's installation. Rectifier output polarity depends upon diode's installation. Option D is correct answer. 23. A TRIAC is equivalent to two SCRs. In parallel, in series, in inverse parallel, none of the above. Option C, in inverse parallel is correct answer. 24. A UJT is sometimes called dash diode, low resistance, high resistance, single base and double base. Option D, double base. A UJT is sometimes called double base diode. Last MCQ number 25. The UJT may be used as a rectifier, a sawtooth generator, C both A and B, and D none of the above. Option B, a sawtooth generator is correct answer. These MCQs are very important for upcoming tests. If you want to learn more MCQs, then please subscribe our channel and share the video.